Introducing Beuhi, a glimpse at a culinary revolution for the DIY cannabis enthusiast. As a bud tender, a cannabis consumer, and a full-time cannabis writer, I've spent 8 years chronicling the rise and fall of various technologies promising to reshape the way we engage with cannabis. From revolutionary laser-powered vaporizers to futuristic extraction methods, the journey has been nothing short of exhilarating, especially for this self-proclaimed tech geek. But among the plethora of devices that have graced my editorial canvas, none has stirred my enthusiasm quite like Beuhi. Meet Beuhi, a symphony of consistency, quality, and flavor. Cannabis enthusiasts, buckle up. Beuhi isn't just another appliance, it's the crescendo in the symphony of cannabis culinary innovation. Having explored most of the industry's various consumer tech innovations, I've come to appreciate the trifecta that defines a stellar cannabis experience: consistency, quality, and flavor. However, as a DIY cannabis edible maker myself, I can also vouch that simplicity is also part of that equation. Let's face it, making anything from scratch in your home kitchen is a messy endeavor. It takes prep work, know-how, and cleanup. The soon-to-be-released Beuhi appliance doesn't just promise to meet these standards, it waltzes confidently into the spotlight, ready to set a new benchmark. With Beuhi, long gone are the dosing-guessing games we play while making our favorite brownie recipe or gummy candy formula. And thanks to its ingenious cartridge system, long gone is the mess, too. What makes Beuhi different from other edible making devices and gadgets is the cartridge system that allows for precision dosing and consistency. Consumers will be able to select from various flavors and types of products, such as gummies and chocolates. Pre-filled ingredient cartridges are shipped for each recipe and on a subscription basis. The appliance also has a refillable cartridge that allows the consumer to blend their botanical formulas by adding their oils of choice. For example, for all of you who own a Levo oil machine, you can still create your own oils, test them for potency with your T-Check device, and then fill the Beuhi cartridge with your end product. Once you insert the cartridges, you use the companion app to start the process, and the Beuhi does the rest. The app even provides journaling capabilities so you can keep track of what you've made. Beuhi, a new level of DIY sophistication. In a realm where tech meets taste, Beuhi emerges as a true storyteller. As a journalist focused on the technologies shaping cannabis consumption, I recognize the subtle dance between convenience and sophistication that Beuhi orchestrates. From the seamless control offered through a dedicated app to the cartridge-driven simplicity, Beuhi isn't just an appliance, it's a narrative of how technology can elevate our cannabis experiences. Beuhi allows consumers to create personalized formulations with a simple click of a button, enhancing the experience with AR. In a recent press release, Beuhi announced they are partnering with AR Hero to bring consumers a whole new experience that goes far beyond simply making their own infusions. AR Hero is about bringing a new dimension to consumer interaction. Our platform is designed to increase engagement, provide immersive brand experiences, and integrate actionable calls to action within AR environments, Brant Hindman, founder of AR Hero, said in the press release. We're excited to see how our collaboration with Beuhi will set a new standard for consumer experience in the cannabis industry and beyond. The Beuhi AR experience promises to entertain, educate, and enlighten consumers on a journey of product exploration. For product brands, the AR integration becomes a powerful tool for storytelling and creating memorable brand experiences that resonate with their audience. Investing in innovation, Beuhi as the vanguard. After nearly a decade of exploration of various tech innovations for both consumers and producers, I have learned to recognize more than just trends. It's about discerning the vanguards of change. Homemade edibles are nothing new, but few people will disagree. The process could stand some improvements. Beuhi is so much more than just a kitchen gadget. It's a front-row seat to the future of cannabis infusions. For potential investors, this isn't merely an opportunity. It's a chance to support a device that doesn't just promise change but embodies it. The culmination of excitement. In a landscape where devices come and go, Beuhi is a testament to the evolution of cannabis culinary artistry and innovation.